Let's go welding, folks. Hey there, fellow welding enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of welding, an art form that joins metals and sparks creativity. But first, let's answer the burning question: who is a welder? A welder is more than just a tradesperson. They are modern-day artisans, skilled craftsmen, and problem solvers. From building skyscrapers to creating intricate sculptures, welders play a vital role in countless industries. Welders are the backbone of construction, aerospace, automotive, and manufacturing industries. Their work ensures bridges are strong, planes soar high, and cars drive smoothly. But remember, welding is not just about sparks and metal. It's also about safety and precision. Is welding any profitable? In developed countries, welders generally earn higher salaries compared to developing nations. In the United States, for example, the average annual salary for a welder ranged from around $30,000 to $60,000, with experienced welders and those working in specialized industries potentially earning more. Prerequisites to start welding. Now, let's talk about what you need to become a welding pro. 1. Passion and dedication. The first prerequisite is an unwavering passion for welding and a dedication to mastering this versatile craft. 2. Basic education. While formal education is not mandatory, a high school diploma or equivalent is beneficial. Many welding schools and workshops offer comprehensive courses to teach you the fundamentals and advanced techniques. 3. Safety first. Safety gear is non-negotiable. Properly fitted helmets, gloves, and welding jackets protect you from sparks and fumes. 4. Physical fitness. Welding can be physically demanding, so a good level of physical fitness will make it more enjoyable. 5. Eye for detail. Paying attention to details ensures clean, precise welds. 6. Practice, practice, practice. Get hands-on experience to perfect your skills. And there you have it. Share this video with your friends, and let's grow this welding family together. Until next time, keep welding, and stay inspired. Let's go welding, folks.